Hello guys and welcome back to Learn Cyber EH. Today we're back on PicoCTF website looking at the general skills category, and we're looking at the Python Wrangling challenge, which is worth 10 points. For this challenge I'm going to be using the web shell which is provided on the PicoCTF website. So you can all follow along with the same tool. So to start, we'll open up the challenge description. Python scripts are invoked kind of like programs in the terminal. Can you run this Python script using this password to get this flag? Okay, we'll start off by downloading the files into the terminal shell. So we right click and select copy link address. Now I'm already logged into the shell, so when you click on it for the first time, you'll be prompted for your username and password. So I'm logged in, so I can type in wget and then I can paste that link that I just copied. So that downloads the Python file. Now we want to download the password. Do the same. Type wget and you can just hold Control Shift and push V to paste that link you just copied. So now we have downloaded the password.txt file, and then the last file is the flag. You want to do the same thing there. Wget, Control Shift V, and enter. So if we push ls, we can see all the files we've downloaded into our home directory. The readme.txt file was already there, so we've downloaded the end.py, flag.txt.en, which just means it's an encrypted file, and then the password.txt file. So we want to, if we want to start off just by having a look at what's in the password.txt file, just a quick way of viewing it is cat and then the file name pw.txt, push enter, and this cat command will just read what's in the file and print it into the terminal. So this is okay for short files like this, but if it was a long file it would be a bit messy. You'd be better off using Vim or something like that, or Nano. Okay, so we can see it has the password in there. So now we want to have a look at what's inside the Python file. For this I'm just going to use Vim. You can type Vim or you can just type vi and end. When you're typing a file, you can type a couple of letters and you can push the tab key to finish the file name off for you, just to save some time. So vi ends.py, and we have a look in here. You can see there's some code here. Okay, I'm actually just going to show you. I'm going to run the file first just to show you. So to run the file, you type Python and then the file name end.py, push enter, and it tells us usage. Basically, to use this file, you need to enter the file name followed by either -e or -d and then another file name. So we'll go back in and have a look at the code again just to see what is -e and -d. So if we look here, this is for -e. So if we're typing -e, it is to encrypt the preceding file that you type in after the -e, and if we type in -d, it is to decrypt. Okay, so we already have an encrypted file that we want to decrypt, so we know we want to use the -d function here. So just if you're not familiar with Vim, to exit, you can just type semicolon and Q for quit. Okay, we're back here. So now we want to again Python end.py. We're going to do -d, and then we want to use basically we want to use this file here, our encrypted flag. This is the file we want to decrypt. So we're using the -d flag, and then you can do the tab isn't working there for some reason, but you can just type it out, flag.txt.en, enter. It asks us for the password. Now I forgot to copy this. Can probably do it from here. So that's copied there. And I'll paste that in. Push enter. And there we go. We have the flag there. So not too bad a challenge. If you want to see the remainder of these challenges being completed, please have a look at my channel. I'll be putting them all up. Please like the video and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks for watching.